need to tell you about this mascara, and I feel like I have been waiting for this for my entire life. This is by Wonderskin, and it is their Powerful Mascara. And there's something really unique about this. It's not just the formula, but it's the brush too. So I hope that that is in focus so that you can see the shape of that brush. It's amazing. So I have it on this eye, but not this eye yet. And hopefully you can tell the difference, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. So the brush is so unique. It's designed to get all those little hairs. So I think that mascara really works when you can grab and cover every little hair, especially here, and then the ones out here, I like to kind of pull out. These are my real lashes, by the way. I do want to tell you that. I've been blessed with good lashes, but when I don't have mascara on them, you can't see them. You just can't see them. So, but look at that. You grab those. So look at the way this is designed. Look at the way that's designed right here. The end of it is what makes it so that you can grab those little lashes that you can't normally see. So I just go over it a couple times. I go that way too. And look at that. So I'll do the bottom, just a little bit. You don't want to do too much on the bottom. Yeah, so it's the brush that makes this so good. And look at my eyelashes now. Ooh, pretty. I'm telling you, it's the shape of the brush that is what does it. That's it. So thanks again. This stuff is great.